The highest glacial lake of India located at the height of 17,745 feet in Garhwal Himalaya is answer A. Devtal. Project Tiger, one of the premier conservation efforts in the country, was launched on answer D. 1st April 1973. Tungabhadra Multi-Purpose Project is a joint undertaking of answer D. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In 1990, India ratified the World Heritage Convention of 1977, identifying four national sites of outstanding universal value, namely answer A. All of these. At present, biosphere reserves that are included in World Heritage answer D. Above all, the radiation energy received by the Earth and its atmosphere from the Sun is called answer A. Insolation. The layer of ocean water between the depth zone of 300 meter to 1000 meter characterized by sharp charge of temperature in the vertical section of seawater is called answer D. Thermocline. A group of populations of different species living in the same habitat and interacting with one another is called answer A. Ecological community. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shale, chalk and coal are examples of answer B. Sedimentary rocks. Dr. Waldemar Koppen, the great climatologist of Australia, suggests in his new scheme of climatic classification answer C. Five major types of climate. The modern iron and steel industry in India had its beginning in 1870 when Bengal Iron Works Company was established in answer A. Kulti. The planet which has maximum number of satellites is answer C. Jupiter. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Answer C. Kosi River. Golden Quadrilateral comprising national highways connects answer B. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi. The diesel locomotive works engaged in producing diesel locos is located in answer A. Varanasi. The mountain system of Alps, Carpathian, Transylvanian, Balkans are located in answer C. Europe. The Chambal Valley project is a joint venture of answer C. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The largest satellite in the solar system is answer B. Ganymede. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in answer D. Tamil Nadu. The line at which a day is lost or gained is called answer D. International Date Line. The study of moon is called answer B. Selenology. The portion of incident radiation energy without hitting that surface reflected back from a surface of a body is called answer C. Albedo. The largest port of India is answer C. Mumbai Port. Dulhasti project and Silal project are located at answer A. River Chenab. The vernal equinox occurs on answer B 21st March. The autumnal equinox occurs on answer B 23rd September. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park is located in answer C Vishakhapatnam. The predominant gases that constitute the sun are answer A hydrogen and helium. Madumalai Sanctuary is located in answer B Tamil Nadu. Exfoliation is a type of answer C physical weathering. World Water Day is observed on answer B 22 March. The largest state of India area-wise is answer D Rajasthan. Hyderabad in Telangana is located on the bank answer D Musi River. The largest India mammals is answer D elephant. The Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education ICFRE were created in answer B 1987. The inner planets include answer D Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is 5 km. The first large-scale modern machine tool factory set up in public sector is answer A 1953. The first shore-based steel plant in India is answer D Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant VSP. The river Kaveri rises on the western edges of answer B the Western Ghats. Primary producers fall in two categories, e.g. answer D phototrophs and chemotrophs. The Naharkatia oil field is located in answer C Assam. The largest mangrove forest in the world is located in answer B West Bengal. The water body separating Andaman and Nicobar is known as answer C 10-degree channel. Sun's rays can make right angle only up to 23 1/2 and south latitudes because answer D Earth is inclined at an angle of 66 1/2 on its axis. Which industry is developed in Sadol and Nepanagar? Answer A paper and pulp industry. The Richter scale on which intensity magnitude of a quake is measured was developed in answer C 1935. Maasai tribes are found in answer D East Africa. The law which states that wavelength of maximum radiation is inversely proportional to the absolute of the emitting body is known as answer A Wien's displacement law.